Yeah. Yeah, man, what I say? I don't know. I do done. Yeah. I mean, I say, well, it's a blessed Friday morning. Yeah, so I don't know. Give thanks and praise for another day. A whole heap of people out there sick, are going to hardship, are going to so many things, you see me? So many killings are going out there, you know? Yeah. So many Judas out there, so many bloodsuckers out there. You don't know who to trust, but I can tell you, you can trust God. You see what I say? Straight. Yeah, man. Let me I say, pre this, because pre this. Life, sweet. You see me? But life only sweet to some people when they have money, when they have a pretty car or house. You see me? Yeah, everybody has something to live a high life. You see me? At the same time, them child or them kids are get hungry. Well, not all of them, some. You see me? Some are on the road hot, and inside of them are burn out or dead out. You see me? Straight. And them are on the road hot, and them not put that thing one side to say, boy, go to doctor. Them have to depend on either a man or if them a man, then depend on some family member or some woman or them buried, or if them a woman, then depend on the man them where they might dig up, where dig them out. Basically, I'm saying pre this. If somebody love you and you don't love the person, and the person don't love you, move along. See what I say? Yeah, move along. Straight. Pre this. A lot of girls will want you when you're single and working because they want your money. See me? True word. For real. So basically, I'm not saying people don't love people for who them is, but basically, some woman love you when them is you're single. A lot of people set up them sister upon you, or them sister will set up them brother upon a woman for have it. Just to milk them, to feed them. You see me? Basically, if you see what I say. So pre all these things, pre all the people them where see her try every day. And them try to stop you in so many ways, like talk some bad shit about you. You see what I say? When I go so. So you have to pre live. You see me? You can't be foolish. You see me? If a girl diss me, that's when me say pre this. Me nah go back to her. And you can know when a girl has set up a man to kill you too. Certain girl you don't follow back at them. Woman, certain man, you don't follow back at them and make them catch you with nothing that is nice. So them catch enough girl and murder them. You see me? I saw enough woman catch man and murder them too. So basically, pre-life, you see me? It's hard and tough in Jamaica and around the world. So pre this. Some of the people them will have YouTube channel and them out there long before me. Me no bad mind no. I tell you that. I come here so we just go and keep the people them strong and keep them focused. You see me I say, yeah. Me is not a youth and mix up in a nothing. I can tell you that. Me not sell out people. You see me? Me not diss people. You see me? Basically. Me's a man at every youth. But you have find people out there have all kind of shit to say about you. You see me I say basically. So read that scripture there and bust a prayer. You see what I say? Enough devil out there, you know, enough demon out there, enough walking dead among us. And if you don't have God in your thing, you know I say no. Make sure you have God in your thing. You see me? Yeah man, God up with the inner it. If you're not inner it, it's not gonna nice. You see what I say? That's what I say. Yeah man. And big up all the people and we are trying. And I try to tell the shame out of them face. You see all the girls man, we are use people like a use man to get what they want and run up them and block them and hide them out. Yeah man, when the time I come, same thing for some man we are use one too. And then block them and duck them out. When the time I come, so me I say straight. So pre-life me people. Good people stay strong. All the faithful people them stay strong in God. You see me? don't do nothing that is bad. Some people will come and draw you. Some people will create excitement for you when you owe them. You see me? But them same people that owe other people and don't want to pay them. So you owe them come create a scene for you and try to diss you. That's what I say. Basically, these things do happen to me and I learn from them. People will fight you. People will give you all kind of things, but they don't like you. You see me? Don't trust nobody. Not even people you work most. When I say work most, like when I talk the top, the bigger heads, when I talk like this, the people them that are around me. Work just like myself, I prefer them on. Yeah. Some of these people are Judas, you see me I say. Yeah. Big up all the people that are happy for you, happy for me. Yeah. I will always do the good I can because this is me. I now do nothing that is bad. Please nobody, you see me? Straight. And tell the ghetto youth them to go and hold the faith. Yeah, go and hold the faith and keep strong. And don't do nothing that is bad. That's what I say. Free life ghetto youth. Don't wait until badness take you and you run up and down and then you go say, boy, when them catch me, what happened to me? I will come look for me a prison. You see, them people in my prison are going to beat you when you're going there because what pree this. Them want to come out and you are coming there. You see what I say? Big up all like that, tell them and nurse them. You see what I say? Big up all of the elder them, straight. I mean sing the song, so respect the elder them, you see me? I mean man, I mean I'm one dad. See me? I mean sing that song them. Big up all the community them and the ghetto them. We are keep it real, you see what I say? Straight. Big up all the hot girl them. Big up all the girl them, you know. When put themselves higher than nobody. They're just deep people normal like everybody else. Big up on themselves. You see what I say? Straight. Yeah man. Big up all the schoolers them too. The female them. Take on education serious. The youth them. Drop the badness. You see me? And do the education work. You see me I say? That means when you left school, you can drop in a good job and take your money and buy what you want, build what you want. You see what I say? Don't do like some man out there will work and not help themselves. You see me? Don't do like some woman out there will work and not help themselves. It is good to take care of yourself, build yourself, yeah, and live a proper life and stay away from trouble and violence. That's what I say, straight. So, pree this. Yeah man, pree. Pree. Have a good day. You know what I say? I'm gonna go it all out.
Fill up my cup, don't let those enemies in it. They don't really know love. Let the light keep shine every minute. We ain't giving it up. Lord, all those things I've been through in my life, and all those fights keep me strong. We're unwise. I know my words are my keys, choose them wise. Lord, I'm one of your soldiers for life. From me right at the morning. Destiny calling. Light up the chalice, give them feel like